This is the 2025 Tricycle Camper, and yes, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie parked in a campground. It's a three-wheeled machine that dares to blend mobility, minimalism, and camping life into one compact little powerhouse. Designed for solo adventurers or minimalist couples, this camper is redefining what road trips can look like. Starting with the exterior, it's sleek, aerodynamic, and shockingly modern. It looks like a cross between a motorcycle and a mini space. Podchaka with LED strip headlights, solar panels embedded on the roof, and an ultra-light composite body. It's built to glide through both highways and tighter off-grid paths. There are options for matte black, glacier white, and even a metallic blue finish, and each of them has a rugged yet futuristic vibe. The rear end opens up like a hatch with fold-out supports that stabilize it when parked, and there's a built-in mini awning that deploys in seconds. Underneath, it's rocking a high-torque electric motor with a 200-mile range per charge, depending on how many hills you're climbing. Top speed? Around 55 mph. It's not going to beat sports cars, but for a camper trike, that's impressive. Regenerative braking helps extend the battery life, and you can charge it from a regular wall outlet or via its rooftop solar panels, which give you an extra 20-30 miles a day if you're out in the sun. Now, the interior is where it gets genius. Don't let the size fool you. This thing is a masterclass in space efficiency. As you step inside, the floor drops slightly, giving a surprising sense of space. On one side, there's a convertible bench that turns into a bed, and on the other side, a compact kitchenette with an induction stove, a tiny sink, and a mini fridge tucked below. There's storage above and below everything, fold-out cabinets, drawers in the steps, even a hidden compartment under the mattress. Lighting is all soft-touch LED, with ambient modes for reading, relaxing, or just vibing with some music while parked by the beach. The windows are double-glazed, tinted for privacy, and equipped with blackout shades. One of the slickest features is the skylight. It opens up fully, letting in sunlight during the day and stars at night. You also get a digital display system that controls lighting, battery levels, ventilation, and even the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Yes, it has one of those too. There's even an optional composting toilet module that slides out from under the bed, hidden but there when you need it. Water tanks hold enough for a weekend getaway, and everything is modular, meaning you can customize it when ordering, add or remove features depending on your lifestyle. Performance-wise, it's smooth and quiet. It handles like an electric bike on steroids thanks to its low center of gravity and three-wheel stability. Suspension is decent, not built for extreme off-roading, but absolutely capable of gravel roads and moderate trails. The steering is responsive, and you'd be surprised how fun it is to drive, like a blend of go-kart and mini Tesla. It makes no noise except a faint whir, and people turn their heads every time it rolls by. The price? That's where things get interesting. Base model starts at around $14,900, and fully spec'd out with solar, Wi-Fi, and toilet module, you're looking at about $19,500. It's not exactly cheap, but compared to towing a big RV or running a gas-hungry camper van, it's kind of a steal, and with low maintenance and charging costs, it's built to save you money over time. This trike camper isn't for everyone. It's not for families or heavy packers. But for digital nomads, solo explorers, weekend warriors, or anyone craving freedom without the full RV commitment, it might just be the perfect match. Compact, clean, futuristic, and surprisingly cozy, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is a bold step into a smaller, smarter way to hit the road.